Hi guys, welcome to our Zen Den. My name is Valerie. Thank you so much for watching. So as you can see from the title, today I'm gonna play with the Nikkie and Beauty Bay eyeshadow palette. This is absolutely gorgeous. I got this yesterday and I have been wanting to dig into it so bad, but I wanted to do the first impressions with you guys and give you a review. I'm not sure if you can buy it or not because I don't know if it's like a limited edition thing, but I just wanted to let you guys know what I think about it. And just an FYI, I'm gonna do a super colorful look today, so if you're interested in that, just keep watching. Alright, so before we get into the actual eyeshadow look, I just wanted to give you guys a little view of the actual palette. Obviously there is a light and a dark side, which I think it's such a cool story to the whole eyeshadow palette. And this is the gorgeous eyeshadow palette. I am dying to dig into this and do a super fun look with this. By the way, everything that I'm wearing right now, I'm gonna leave it down below so you guys can know exactly what I have on my face. So I'm gonna prime my eyes and I'll be right back so we can get started. Okay, so I prime my eyelids. I use the P.Louise in Rumour 02. Like I said, everything that I have on my face right now, it's gonna be down below, just in case you guys are wondering. Right before we start the look, I know I look so weird right now, like I'm dying to just put some eye stuff on. I wanted to show you guys the packaging it came in, which is such a beautiful, just black with a little shimmers on it. So pretty. She wrote a little message there, which is so cute. Pause if you want to read it. And then in the box also came another message from Nikkie, which is awesome. I love those very personal touches that beauty gurus do when they launch a eyeshadow palette or a product. I love it when they write notes. And then I thought it was super interesting. In the back, it shows the list of all the colors in the shades, and it also shows you how to best apply them. So as you can see, some of them have fingers and then some have brushes. So this is very cool for someone who's new at makeup and just to make their life easier. I really like this. I zoomed you guys in, by the way. Like I said, I'm gonna do a super colorful look because I want to try all the different colors here. So it's gonna be like a rainbow-ish kind of look, but not really. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna begin with, I'm probably gonna pronounce some of them wrong. I think it's pronounced Vla. It's a super neon yellow. It's gonna be this one right here. And I'm taking my Morphe M507 brush. I'm not used to wearing these neon kind of colors, but I just thought it would be super cool to apply that on today's look. I think it applied really well actually. I like to apply my eyeshadow when the primer is still kind of tacky. I think it dried down a little bit, but I don't think that makes much of a difference. I think it's just a me thing. And the next one is going to be Redemption, which is this beautiful orange shade. And I'm going to use the same brush as before. This one's way more pigmented than the yellow one. I like this color. I love orange shades. Oh my god, I'm so nervous to make this look because it's a look I haven't really practiced in a while. So I'm low-key kind of nervous. It blends out really well also. I don't know why I feel so nervous today. Maybe it's because I posted when I got my unboxing on my Instagram, which go follow me on Instagram. And I noticed that Nikkie saw my story and I just like, I can't believe she saw it. Like, that's crazy to me that she even clicked on my story and saw it. Like, what? Okay, I need to calm down and go back to the eyeshadow palette. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my Morphe M506 brush and I'm gonna go in with this beautiful pink shade. It's called Blend and Snap. This one right here. And I'm gonna put it right next to the orange shade. This one is so pigmented. What the hell? What? That's gorgeous. Oh my god, I love it. It's blending so well and it's super pigmented. Oh my gosh. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna go back and blend the edges because I'm not gonna leave the eyeshadow colors unblended like that. I'm just trying to apply all the colors first and then I'm gonna go back and blend everything. So far, the least pigmented one was the really neon yellow shade, but I know I just have to go back and forth to add more definition and more pigment to that. But so far, the orange one applied really well and the pink one also applied super well, so I'm pretty impressed. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with the same Morphe brush and I'm going to go in with this beautiful red shade. I think it's pronounced Mikai. I'm so sorry if it's mispronounced. That is hella pigmented. Do you guys see that? Oh my gosh. That is crazy. Because usually red shades are not super pigmented, so I'm pretty shooketh. This is gorgeous. Oh my god, I love this color. I am so impressed with that red shade. And I'm starting to get fallout now, but I feel like I haven't gotten any type of fallout, and I barely ever tap my brushes to dust them off because I really like the concentrated pigment of everything, so it's pretty good when it comes to fallout. I'm barely getting fallout right now, and this is the 4th color that I use. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go off camera, blend all the shades up to my brow bone-ish so there's no harsh lines, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I blended it to my best capacity. I really like the mattes. So I wasn't skeptical about the shimmers because I knew they were going to be amazing. But I did want to try the mattes, and so far I really like it. Let me just zoom you guys back in. I just think they blended super well. They just look so pretty together. Okay, so let's continue to the lower lash line. With my Sigma and Trend Mood brush, E30 brush, I'm gonna go into the shade called Slasher right here, which is a beautiful deep purple. And I'm just gonna apply that to my outer lower lash line. Amazing. I love how all the mattes are applying so far. Alright, so with that same brush, I'm gonna go in with this beautiful blue shade called Amsterdam. And I'm just gonna apply the color right next to the purple. This color is gorgeous. It's like an indigo kind of. I love it. Alright, so I'm gonna grab my Morphe M408 brush, and I'm going to go into the color Ew, which I love green. That's my favorite color, so I was like, why? It's gonna be this beautiful green shade. Ooh, that one's super pigmented too. So pretty and so pigmented. Wow, like I just have to stamp it on a little bit and the colors just like psh, explodes. Okay, so I'm gonna go off camera, blend all the lower lash colors, and I'll be right back. So I don't even have to say it, but all the shimmers on this palette are absolutely amazing and beautiful, so it's really hard for me to pick out of all of them. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade called All In, which is this shade right here, and I think I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it with my finger because I feel like that's the best payoff, to be honest. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Wow, this is gorgeous. Oh my god, it's so shimmery. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Look how gorgeous that shimmer applied. It looks wet almost, and I literally applied it with my finger. Usually I prime my eyes with like the NYX glitter primer, but I didn't even have to do it with this shade, so let me just apply it to the other side. I love this shade. I just want to like put my whole face into this color. Alright guys, so I'm gonna apply the mascara, put some lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and I applied my lip liner and my lipstick off camera also. So that is it for this video. I give this palette overall like an A+. If you guys can get your hands on it, please do. It is so amazing. All the mattes are super pigmented and they blend really well. And the shimmers, I don't even have to say anything. That speaks for itself. They are amazing. I swatched the other shimmers also, and they are equally as buttery and shimmery. Like, this is my dream palette. Nikki, you killed it with this one. It's amazing. Definitely get your hands on it if you can. It's amazing, and it's only $30. Like, that just blew my mind. I hope you guys like this rainbow tutorial kind of look. Definitely like this video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. That would mean the world to me. I'm also gonna leave my social media handles above so you guys can go follow me. That is where I let you know when I post my next videos, and I also post close-ups of the eye looks and selfies and all that stuff, so definitely check me out there. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and thank you so much for watching.